Welcome everyone. So yeah, welcome to this particular introduction to computer programming for kids. And we are also going to do Python programming for kids as well. So this evening introduction, we are going to look at what this course entails, what you're going to get out of the course, and we are also going to talk about the introduction to the course. That's what we're going to get out of this particular course. Yeah. So, and I will also leave some time for questions at the end so that we can see what we need to do. And also, if you are here without your parents, I would say please do ask them to join, because this is going to be important for them to actually know all those cool stuff that you're going to do during this particular course. It is very, very important for us for them to attend if that is okay. So please, if they are not here right now, can you please do call them? So this is only going to be for today. So then after today, they don't need to join again. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do today. And yeah, so my name is Deji, and yeah, I've got other kids as well that are going to help me. I think I've got two brilliant boys that would kind of take this session, David and Joshua. They normally do it. So you're going to hear David in one of the videos that he has done before he left for school. So, and he will do the introduction. Then after that, we are going to start the introduction. For some of you that are new to this program, it's kind of very niche, actually. It's because it's called Coding for Kids by Kids. This is where kids teach themselves coding, actually. And we have adults as a faculty that facilitate the training. So more often than not, the adults kind of teach a little, then the kids now, and they are encouraged to teach other kids in coding. It's really, really fun, actually. So, okay, let's go through what you're going to know. So this is Coding for Kids by Kids. And if you have not joined our Telegram group, please, this is it here. So it's if you just go to Telegram group and search for Coding for Kids by Kids, or you can use this full URL. And we've also got YouTube channel. This has been running since 3 years now, actually. So since 2000, yeah, roughly, yeah, 3 to 4 years now, actually, since 2019. And I'll share quickly, briefly, how this started. Like I said, my name is Deji. I'm from IT background. Yeah, from development, also quality assurance, automation testing, all those basically I've done in the UK for lots of blue chip companies. And at the point, and I thought, let me teach my kids coding. Not even teach, let me expose them to coding. And I was looking for coding class for them to learn coding. And this is even before COVID, actually. So, and most of the ones I saw were very, very far, and a few ones were doing online. Yeah. So it was like, okay, I couldn't see any. So then I started teaching them. And I was really, really amazed how they grasp the coding, how they run with it, how they kind of make fun out of it. And I thought, yeah, the issue that I had at that particular time, there are some kids that want to also learn coding, or their parents they really want them to learn coding, but they don't know how to start, where to go to, and everything. And then this kind of started as Coding for Kids by Kids. So basically, I teach the kids coding, and they come and kind of teach their kids. And there are other children actually that have taken that. I know there are lots of you guys on this platform now that are now kind of guru in coding, and you know all those programming languages, some of the terminologies that your parents do not know or they didn't know at your age, actually. So I think it's really uh, encouraging to see kids kind of going through this. So one thing I can say in the term past, we actually started with programming to introduction to programming, and was really successful, actually. So, and from there, we moved into JavaScript. We did JavaScript as well. And we also did Python programming. We did web development. We did robotics. We did a lot of cool stuff, actually. So if I may just even show, yeah, so if you go to that YouTube channel, I'll show you later so you can see all those fun videos that we've made. And to be honest, when the kid now interprets programming languages to you and you get encouraged by what they're doing, and their imagination is really awesome, what they can imagine to do. And it's kind of very very good for us to be able to get them to do this at a younger age. To be honest, I'm really motivated to do so. And yeah, so this program now is going to be 8 weeks. So you're going to have 8 weeks of coding here. So you're going to code for 8 weeks, actually. So not only that, this program allows you to build confidence. This is very important. We know some of the kids that were shy, or yeah, you want to actually take them out to be able to have that confidence in themselves, be able to express themselves, be able to kind of put their word out. You're going to get this here because we are going to empower them to be able to express themselves within the smaller group. And one thing, this is very important, these kids actually love it when they are in that small group and they're able to kind of, now they learn something, they'll be able to share with other people. That builds confidence within them. And yeah, it's not only coding that we do. That's one thing that we also do to build their confidence. And your children also will learn how to work within a team, actually. So like, teamwork makes the dream works, actually. So this is very important. So, and they will form like a small group. One thing that I know the kids always ask me to do is like, okay, when are we going to go into the breakout rooms? It's always popular. They want to go into breakout rooms so that they can be able to share their ideas, even be able to help other people. And you're going to see them now having an helping hand to be able to help other kids as well, and for them to share their words. They are going to be able to communicate more, actually. If you have kids that are struggling to communicate or exchange ideas, this one place that you can see them actually being able to communicate more, be vocal more on this particular platform. And we are also creating leaders as well. So within the group, you will see people coming up to lead the particular group, and they say, okay, I want to be lead. And they always come and say, no, I want to be leader in this time. And so they know it's fun, but they don't know that actually we are actually creating leader out of them, because at that particular time, they put themselves forward to lead that particular small group, and they did it very well, and they know that I can do this. This is where leaders are built, to be honest. So for me, this is very important for at a younger age for them to take ownership of a smaller group and say, I want to lead them. I want to be able to do impart their knowledge in them. That is really profound. And you also going to improve the numerical and problem solving skills, actually, because what we're going to see within the programming is you have some problem, you have some challenge that you have to solve. And some of them will involve you having to use your numerical skills, even verbal reasoning for those guys that are looking for to do 11 plus or thereabout. And this is a starting point, because with this, they are able to kind of look into that. The problem is there, they're able to comprehend the problem. So it's going to even rub off in their work in school as well. So because they will be able to comprehend the challenges, because yeah, it's fun. So, but for them to be able to read and know what they are actually going to do, that is really reading skills and also numerical skills. There will be time they have to navigate a path, they have to write a code. It's going to improve their numerical skills and also problem solving skills as well as coding skills as well, to be honest. So, and yeah, this is good. This is one of those ones that they like. There will be lots of games. There will be lots of funs, and we're going to just play, have fun, and that's what we're going to do actually. As we do that, we are going to have fun learning actually. So that is very important. So there will be lots of games, and also we'll also kind of enjoy ourselves within the time that we have. There will be we're going to have fun anyway. So and also we are going to do graduation. There will be awards, there will be certificates, for those guys that would finish. And if you think this is for you, so there also will be time that we will give certificates out for everyone. And so that is it, to be honest. So, and for to kind of cap it up, so these are two programs. So the first course in Introduction to Programming. So this is applicable to young ones, age 5 to 15. But to be honest, it's not that if you it's more than 18 or 15, rather age 5 to 15. If you are more than 15, you are also welcome, to be honest. But if you haven't got any exposure to computing, so that's one. But we will say age 5 to 15, probably so that it's not boring to them. They don't but what I've seen that is the people that in, let's say, 11 to 15 will kind of take leadership role in this particular team. So it's not going to be boring. Instead of them being taught, they will lead the team. They will be the leaders in their team. So that's another thing that this particular course is going to do for them. And also we are going to do Python programming. And the last one that we did Python programming, it was fun. We've done like 3 sessions now. We started with games and everything. Then we went to hardcore programming, basically where you have to write the programs and you have to understand what you are writing. And it was really, really interesting, to be honest. So this time around also it's going to be like that. So, but one thing is going to be fusion between the new guys and also the guys are experienced actually. So, and if you are already know Python programming, it's going to be a refresher course for you. You're going to know Python programming. We are going to use a different IDE this time around, where you're going to be seeing your programming running on the go. And that is really, really good actually. So, and you would learn programming from even writing the hello world and using the block letters and everything. So you have lots of things that you can actually gain from there. So because even with programming, you will also learn the for loops, how to do that, the branching and the likes like that. So there are lots of things that you will get from this programming aspect. So it's going to run quickly. Maybe I should tell you, in this particular course you will learn control flow. If you don't understand what that is, then that's no problem, don't worry. So we're going to look at that. So control flow loop, you're going to learn about loops, you're going to learn about the list, functions, and there'll be challenges on string, modules, and dictionaries, file, classes. So we will break it into chunks. This one is for only for 8 weeks, right? So then after that, we do graduation, then we'll move to the programming number 2. So that is what we're going to do. For the introduction, it's going to be fun, actually, the introduction to programming. So this is for people that want to join programming, you don't know what to do, or you want to be a lead, or you want to improve your communication skills. That is one is for you, because it's going to be just play game and also have fun doing that. So that is how is structured. Okay, and also another the days now is Saturdays 5 to 7 p.m. Saturday 5 to 7. I know a lot of people are raising their hands. I'll come back to you so that So Saturday 5 to 7 p.m. and Sunday 5 to 6 p.m. every week. Actually, this is what how this is going to work anyway. So, and I would ask you to can unmute you. If you have any question now, please do raise your hand and I can let you speak if that's okay. Okay. Oh, okay, 1 minute. Let me allow you to mute yourself. Okay, Olayinka Samuel, please. Olayinka Samuel. So, and if you cannot talk, you can also send text as well. So, I would listen. Olayinka Samuel, please. Okay. All right. Let's move to Nathan, please. Nathan.
I can't see your screen.
You can see my screen?
Yeah.
What up?
Okay. Can you log out and log in? Okay. Because I think you should. Yeah, please. Okay. All right. Let's move to Jade. Can everyone be muted, please? Okay. Let's move to Jade. Okay. Jade, do you want to?
It's actually Farida.
Okay, Farida. Okay.
So my question is, so are we going? So the courses just for, because the course 1 says 5 to 15, and then course 2 says 9 to 12, and then so does that mean after we've done our courses, will we have graduation?
So I want you to say something.
Okay, sorry, Farida, please. Can you continue? Okay, so if you're asking about the graduation, right? So these courses will run at the same time. So what is going to happen is like on Saturday, from 5 to 6, we have introduction to programming, and 6 to 7, we have Python programming. Yeah. Then on Sunday, we do both of them together. So that's how it's going to run. Then at the end of the 8 weeks, we will do graduation for this particular course. Yeah. Okay. Tara.
With the programming, like the Python programming, do we have to make any account? Because I saw on YouTube when I was scrolling down YouTube, I checked out my notifications and it said that we had to make like this account.
Oh, okay, all right. So it's good, Tara. It seems that you've kind of gone ahead to check what we need to do, which is good. Actually, yeah. So you need to make an account. There's a video which I'm going to show how you make the account. So don't worry. It's good that you kind of, you're going ahead of other people, which is good. Okay. So, but yeah, this afternoon, I will share that video with everyone and also maybe share with your parents as well so that they can assist you to make the account. Yeah. Okay. Is it J Raven, please? Okay. Is it Farid? Farid.
Yeah, Farida.
Okay.
It's Farid. Are we going to learn how to make a website or make a game?
Okay. You are going to learn how to make some games.
But I have a question.
To learn how to, but you are not going to learn how to make websites in this particular course yet. So because there's another course that we did last time when we did how to make websites, but yeah, we'll do that one later, but not on this particular one. But in this one, there's some games that you have to work out anyway. Yeah. Okay. All right. J. Rabin, please. Okay. There's another person, RCCG, Prince of Peace. If you can put your name, please. Okay.
RCCG, Prince of Peace.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So if you have question, please can you raise your hand up, please? I will appreciate that. Okay. Peace, please.
Yeah.
Peace.
Did you send any link?
I don't know.
Not yet. Not yet. I've not sent any. Fella, can you please stop muting or muting yourself? If you have question, please do raise your hand. I'll call you. Thank you. Okay. All right. So yeah, I've not sent any link. I'm going to show you the link to go to. Then from there you would go to the link. Okay. So yeah. All right. And okay, Farida, please.
Okay, so question is, you know the course 2, have we not finished Python, or we're still doing Python?
Okay, cool. That's a good question. Yeah. So I don't think you'll be able to finish Python. Even the adults are still learning Python. New things are coming up everywhere. So there's Python 2, there's Python 3, but we've not actually finished the Python actually. But for you that you've done, this might look fun to you, but there's other new things in there actually, because I think you did not do functions, you didn't do loops the last time. So and yeah, maybe hello world could be good. Yeah. So this time around, you're going to do control flow as well. So yeah, it's going to be interesting anyway, but it's not going to be totally new to you guys that have done it before, but some of them will still be new anyway. Yeah. Okay. Yasera, right? Yasera, apologies if I don't pronounce that properly.
Are we going to be answering questions around the group?
Yes, yeah, of course you would answer questions there. Yeah, if there's any questions, of course, yeah. So even within the groups, I would put you into the meeting rooms, yeah, breakout rooms. Then yeah, of course, there'll be faculty there for you that you can talk to them and answer any answer your questions. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No worries there. Okay, Toyin, please, Toyin.
Ask your question.
I'm new here, so what are we gonna be doing?
Okay, cool. So well done for joining, actually, which is good. So a lot of people are also new as well. So from the screen, you are going to learn how to program, right? So and if you are totally new to programming, you would go for course 1 actually. And if you are up to the challenge, you can also do the Python programming as well. So we're going to start from scratch anyway, so you don't need to have any programming experience. There'll be a lot of fun. There'll be games for you to play even at that time as well. At the end of the course, you would know how to program, right? 1 or 2 things anyway, but it's going to be consistent. And who knows, you may decide to go and do computer programming or engineering, or to be honest, these days everything is on computer. Everything you have to have computer knowledge. So this experience is going to really help.
Okay, thank
and
you.
one thing that I want to say, I know some of the parents are also listening. So I've also learned about one of the testimony of some of the parents. So this course will also, you can also use it to say, okay, this is extracurricular activity that my children are involved out of school, right? I've seen people that use this and they submitted the application to private school because, it's about what is your kid doing out of school? Are they only into books? But this is one of those that, okay, because there will be certificate that you can actually show. Who knows, they might also get scholarship because of that, what they do. And they can also show their work as well on what they've done. So that's another thing that this particular course will give to the children as well. So, okay. Okay. Olubanjo, please. Olubanjo.
If you have any like coding platforms, are you allowed to share it?
Yes, we do allow that. We do allow for people to express themselves. And yeah, so even in the graduation time, so normally people come and they share different codes. So we see we're going to have a session whereby you can show your work. We have show and tell as well, in where you have demos where people show what they've done. I do encourage, even though if it's something that you didn't learn from here and you want to also show, it's time for everyone to shine. Yeah.
And around on the screen, there's a something blocking the coding for kids.
Oh, okay.
Website.
All right. 1 minute. I think is a okay. All right. So about that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I think is a Zoom participants. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Thanks. Thanks for doing that. So okay. So the next person, Erioluwa and Oluwa Mommy. Right. Yeah. Erioluwa, please. Yeah.
This is Mommy, and I have a question.
Okay.
Do we need? Wait, are we gonna get homework?
There will be homeworks. Yeah, I like that. There will be homeworks. So, how is? Okay, please go ahead.
Do we already need to have like a site where you can send the homework to us?
Yeah, I'm going to give you those information in a minute. Okay, don't worry. So there will be homework. There will be things that we do in the so in the class, and after that you will go and you do yours as well. And when we come back, we do demos as well, so to show what you've done, and it's time for you to say, oh, I've been able to do it. There will be homework. There'll be things that you have to do before the next class. Yes. Okay. All right, cool. Esther, please.
Will we be assessed on the coding we do?
Sure, you'll be assessed on the coding. Yeah. So there will be awards as well. Last time I gave award to the first 3 people that did very well in the coding challenge. There will be a challenge for you to do. So based on that, there will be program, and also there will also be a project for you to work on. And then so of course there will be challenge. Yeah. And you
What type
be
of
assessed as well.
What type of group projects will we be doing?
I will let you know as we go along. Yeah, the first thing is for you to learn first the coding, then we'll give you a challenge in terms of the programming. I think the last time will be one of the code, it might be game for you to develop, or it might be an application for you to develop, or a code for you to fix there. So there'll be different things that you're going to be challenged on. Yeah. Okay, Tara, please.
Sorry, I have another question. Can we use Chromebook for this? Like, can you use Chromebook?
Yeah, I think so. You should be able to use Chromebook for this, because with this one, you don't need to install anything. So we are not going to install Python. You're going to have an IDE on the web, and you put your code in there. So yeah, I think you should be fine with Chromebook. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. Anoluapo, please. Anoluapo, please. I can't hear you. Okay, let's have Malcolm. Malcolm.
Oh, so what type of games will we be making?
Okay, that's a good question. What type of games? So there'll be several games actually. So for instance, I think if I remember 1 minute, so I think there is I think 1 minute. Let me check. I'll come back to you. I think there is kind of is it mind map games? There is also I'll check. I think there's some games that are in there, so which I think dancing party for the introductions. Let me check quickly. I think we'll get to it anyway. So you're going to see the games anyway. So yeah. So there'll be fun games anyway for you to play. I think there's some block games as well actually. So yeah. Okay. Kingston.
Yeah, I just
Kingston?
wanted to know how many websites will we be using?
So you're going to use two websites. Yeah. So one is Codecademy and another one is code.org. Yeah. So
Wait, what's the other
code.org
one
will be
called? I
for
didn't
the
hear you.
introduction. Yeah. The introduction to programming, you're going to use code.org, right, for that. And for the Python, you're going to use Codecademy. I'll show it in a moment anyway. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'll show you in a moment to say, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right, let's go to Injoku, please. Injoku.
Hello, is
Hi.
it free?
Thank you. That is a good question, Injoku. That's a good. Yes, it's free. Yeah, it's free. So, and yes, totally free. So we've been doing for almost, like I said, 3 to 4 years now, and it's been free. But one thing that I do advise is the last time I think I gave books out to the children, which I have stopped now because the course is free. And the last time I asked the parents to donate towards the books, most parents didn't donate. So because of that, I've stopped the books. But it would be good to kind of at the graduation to give them books or something to say thank you. But yeah, we'll look at what we're going to do anyway if we got some donations so that we can actually give the gift at the end of the graduations actually. So, but yeah, the course is totally free. Yeah, you don't need to pay anything. Okay, Modeshure, please, and Jamal. Modeshure.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you, Njoku. Yeah. Modeshure.
I'm new to programming. Can you please tell me what programming means?
That is a good question, Modeshure. That's a good question, and also applies to everyone that is new to programming. So, and I know you use Zoom right now, right? And someone will write a program to make Zoom work, and maybe you watch a movie on YouTube or Netflix online. Someone wrote those programs. Program are things that work behind the computer, right? To make it to function, right? They are code, right? That makes the computer to work. So if you have a computer in front of you, which I think you do, or a phone that you are using for this particular session, so there will be code inside that makes it to work. As someone wrote that program, that's what we call program, is set of codes or sequence of instructions that the computer understands, right? That's how to put it in so that I can understand. So program a sequence of instruction or set of instruction or instructions that you tell the computer what to do, right? So that is code. So here you're going to learn how you can communicate with computer using those instructions. That is what you're going to learn. Yeah. And thanks for that question. That is really a brilliant question. Yeah. Okay. Ade Egbe, please.
Thank you.
No worries. So thank you. Yeah.
Hello, me and my sisters are just new here. Can you explain what can you give us more information? Yeah, more information on what we do or what we're supposed to do.
All right. So for now, you don't need to worry, right? So one thing that I can say, the information I can give to you is this is a programming course, actually. So for the next 8 weeks, you're going to learn how to program. Sorry?
And my sister has got another question.
And are we gonna
what
be
is
playing fun games?
you can play a lot of fun games, actually, to be honest. So a lot of fun games. You're going to, even not only games, there are also going to be dance as well, to be honest. So I'll show you in a moment. Actually, there are a lot of fun games that you're going to be exposed to be honest.
But
Yeah.
what
So
kind?
trust me.
Are we
I'll
allowed?
show you.
Are
Yeah,
we
don't worry.
allowed
I'll show you.
Oh, can I ask?
So yeah, go ahead.
Is there any other
Are
students
Are
within
we allowed to
that
like
will
show
are we
like to like open our
1 minute,
screen?
1 minute, guys. I think there are a lot of people talking. So let's, yeah. Okay, what is the question, please?
I'm saying that are we allowed to start our video, like show your face?
Unfortunately, no, you're not allowed to show your faces because this is online. All right. So and your safety is very, very important to me, actually. So that's where you are not allowed to. Initially, I wanted to show my face today, and I thought maybe that might also, because the last time I did that, someone actually complained and said, why is it Mr. Deji that is allowed to show his face? Why are we not allowed to show your face as well? So the reason is the fact that there are a lot of bad people out there, actually. So, and I don't want them to, yeah. So that is the reason you are not allowed to show your face, okay? You are only allowed to, yeah, participate and everything. So, yeah, so, yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right.
Thank you.
Kemi, please, Kemi.
Are we going to be making games of our own, or we're going to be doing the same one that everyone's going to be doing?
Okay, so right now you are going to be given a game to make, right? But it's not all about games, guys. So that's one thing. But you're going to be, yeah, I will be teaching you, and also the other children as well. We'll be teaching you how to make some specific games and how to get that. And you also will be playing some of these games as well. But if you're experienced and you know, I can make other games, so yeah, you can as well make your game and come and show it here as well. So that also is allowed, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Then Tolu Animi, please.
Supposed to be a crocodile. Rubbish.
Tolu Animi, please.
Sorry, please, what are the things that are going to be done in the introduction to programming?
When are we gonna start?
So for introduction to programming, will tell you, so what you're going to learn will be things that allows you to actually learn about programming. I'm going to talk about the content in a minute, okay? So for these two courses, I'll talk about the content, what you are expected to see in those two, yeah. So just bear with me. After this particular chat, I would talk about them, and yeah. Okay. All right. Quickly, so because I need to go into the course as well.
I'm logging off.
Can we be muted, please? Can we be muted? Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Adenike, please. Adenike.
How does the grading system work?
The grading, to be honest, is not like how you do in school, to be honest, where you have, yeah, this is what you need to do and everything. But what we're going to do, we give you a project. Once you're able to do that, there will not be maybe grade to say you're an A, B, or C, to be honest. So that's not, so either you pass or you don't finish. Actually, if you don't finish, you have opportunity to come back again, right? To do it once again, yeah. Okay. All right, so okay. Okay,
Yes,
I think
thank
Joey, please. Yeah, Joey.
Are we gonna be doing any programming today?
Today I would try to set it up for you, right? you might not do any program today. Today, just for us to have a chat. Yeah. And no, yeah, I've got a lot of questions on the chat as well. So I need to go through them. So, and also today I'm going to do introduction as well, right? To get, yeah, you familiar with the application that we're going to use. Yeah. Okay. All right. Adria, please.
So Mr. Deji, I wanted to tell you I've already started creating some games on my own.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I know you're one of
not
my
on like the
freelance guys.
computer, but I have a Nintendo, and there's this game called Game Builder Garage, that you can build games on.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Well done. I'm impressed, to be honest. I know. So you're going to do well, actually, Idra.
I asked for the game for my birthday, and my dad eventually got it for me. So there are 7 games that have lessons, and after that, you can start creating all games of your own.
That's good. I'm really, really impressed. So,
and out of the 7 games,
your dad as well.
And out of the 7 games, I built 4. So it's actually my mom who got it for me. I kept asking my dad, but my mom was the one who actually came to buy it for me.
Okay.
That's
okay. Whether it's your mom or your dad, well done to all of them. Actually, they did very well. So, and yeah.
I could quickly show you the games.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to do that later. Okay. So I think not today, maybe next time that we meet, I'll give you that. Remind me, okay? So you can actually show it, okay? All right, cool. Okay, let's move on. So I think the next person is Eriolua. I'm not sure you've actually spoken before. So I need to do this quickly, okay? Eriolua Mehan as well. Is it Mea Chaka, please?
I have a question. Can you set up the website on a tablet?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Mea, please.
Hiya. I know that these sessions will be recorded, but where can we find these recording sessions?
Okay, I'll share that as well. So it's on our YouTube channel. So which I think I actually showed before. Okay, I think I cannot. Yeah, this one, right? So if you go to YouTube and you just search for Coding for Kids by Kids, all one word actually, right? You will see that in there. Yeah. Coding for Kids by Kids. I'm going to share that link as well as we go along so that you can be able to see it. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So, okay. Toki, please. Toki.
Is this going to be fun?
It's going to be very, very fun. Trust me. It's going to be very, very fun. You're going to enjoy it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Enoch, please.
Yes.
Enoch, please. You got a question? No, I think there's another Enoch as well. No, you. I think there's another Enoch raising the hand. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go to, I'm going to lower everything. And Toby, please.
What is... Hello, my name is Toby. Hello, my name is Toby. What is programming? What is programming?
Okay. Programming is how to write a program, right? Is the act of programming, is the art of writing program. So, and what's the program? That's the next question. Yeah, program is writing code that computer understand, giving computer instructions. Yeah. So, and it means that the Zoom that you are using right now, it's powered by a program. So, and everything on the computer, it is powered by program. Program is the one that makes them to work actually. So that is what you're going to learn, how to do something like that as well. Yeah, in future. Okay. All right. Let's move to Toki. No worries. Toki, please. Toki. Toki. Toki, please. Okay, let's move to David. David Elvis Daniel. David.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Welcome back.
Oh yeah, hello again. Is it going to be the same course of Code.org of last time, like when we did Code.org last time? Or is it going to be a different one?
No, this one it will be close to the one that you did, maybe
Okay.
2019, right? This
Yeah, somewhere around that.
I know it's a while that we did that, right? So it's gonna be like that because there are a lot of people that joined, right? That are very new. Yeah, for you,
so
it might
like
just be like a
new.
refresher.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
but maybe you'll be the leads in all this, yeah, because I know this is something that will be walking the park for you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Elijah, please.
Good evening, sir. I just wanted to ask, because I'm new to coding, which of the courses should I join? Recommended?
Okay, I would say join both of them and see how it goes. But most importantly, the first one. The first one is basically for everyone that are new, right? Because we are talking about new things, yeah, and it's fun. It's not a lot of codes. Actually, you learn by playing those games. Actually, you learn the concept of programming through that. So, but if you are also open to the challenge, of course, Python programming is also something you pick up, right? So, because in there, you learn how to write programs in Python, but it's going to be from beginning anyway. So you don't need to worry anyway. We're going to start from beginning. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So we go to Omar Olajide. Omar Olajide, please.
So I wanted to. I wanted to ask if we can use our tablet to do the whole course.
Yes, you can. So that's a good question. Yeah, you can use a tablet actually, because this is going to be website. Once your tablet can go to the website, I think it should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Eniola, please. Is that? Oh, yeah. Eniola, please.
I just wanted to ask that how long does it take to like finish the whole training?
Good question as well. Yeah, well done. So this is going to be 8 weeks actually. So at the end of the 8th week, we do graduation. That's it for the first set. So programming is it's a lifetime learning, to be honest, as I do programming, but I'm still learning every day as well. So and you will not be able to finish it there. So, but we do 8 weeks and we pause and we do graduation, then we continue. It's going to be incremental like that. Okay. So yeah, 8 weeks, and that's what the program is structured for now. And yeah. Okay. Let's move to praise. Praise, please.
I was just gonna ask, you know how you said, your course 1 is like 5 to 6 and course 2 is like 6 to 7. Is that happening today? Like, is the course 2 happening right after course 1?
Okay, yes. So that's a good question. So what is we going to do on a Saturday, right? We start course 1. When we finish course 1, we'll move to course 2, right? So, and the same thing on Sunday as well. So Sunday is going to be shorter, right? So we might use Sunday for demos and anyone that's got issues that want to solve. Yeah. So that's the structure. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay, let's move to David. Okay, praise, please. Praise.
I forgot to.
No way, man.
Don't worry.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, all right. So before I move to the next person, I've just sent the link to the YouTube channel. Please, there were already some videos there actually. So, and please do subscribe to the channel. So this is the kids channel. Try to encourage them by subscribing to it. So I'm only here as a facilitator. Most of the videos there are done by the kids, are done by all the children actually. So in their sessions, and you're going to see some of them and hear their voices as well. So this is one of the things, yeah, you hear my voice here more because this is introduction. From today, right, you will hear my voices less actually, because what you're going to see, you hear my voice maybe for let's say 10 minutes when I teach you the new concept, and after that the other kids will be taking over from that. That's why it's called coding for kids by kids. You are going to be hearing those kids that have done this program before. I know David asked the same question, isn't it? He's done that before. He will be here to actually teach some of those things and tell you this is what is, and which I think is really, really good, where kids is the one that teaching kids. And I will be there putting some corrections in case it doesn't say something right or something, or I need to add some things in there. So yeah, so please do go to that channel, subscribe to it, please. Subscribe to the channel. Can we be muted, please? Can we be muted? Can we be muted, please? Okay, subscribe to this channel, please. And oh yeah, so, and if you don't have, yeah, if you have not even joined the Telegram group, also please do join the Telegram group as well. Okay, let's move to David O. David O, please. David O. Sorry?
Hello, thank you. So are we going to be creating like more than one type of game? And if we are, we need to like download a certain website.
Okay, all right. So okay, let's get this. You're going to have some games, but this is not game. Yeah, this is not introduction to game development. We had that one before. Maybe we might do that one later actually. So if you want to learn games specifically, there's some other courses that we've done. You can watch them on YouTube that I will show you right now. But there'll be games that you're going to play. There will be some games that you also develop as well, but it's not going to be all games, guys. But of course, I promise you, it's gonna be fun as well. Yeah. Okay, let's move to Adegbe, please.
It's actually Adiegbe.
Okay, Adegbe, yeah.
Can we can you show us the type of games that you play? Because we want to know if we want to know what it looks like in that.
So as you go along, you're going to see the games anyway, right? So, but I'll show you a brief of those ones before we finish today anyway. So once you are able to log in, yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Can we go to Caleb, please? Yeah. So I think so. What I'm going to do right now, after I answer these questions, hopefully there will not be any more questions. So those guys that have done this course before, I want you guys to talk as well. You can raise your hand as well, so that you can actually tell them how fun is it. If you have actually used it somewhere, or if this particular course is interesting. So please do raise your hand so that you can be able to share your experience as well. So that's another thing. I'll call you as well as we go along. So if you can raise your hand, so yeah, so you can also encourage other people that are new, yeah, so they can tell them, yeah, I've done it before, it was cool, or to get it now. So which I think it will be good for them to hear from you as well. So okay, Caleb, please.
Basically, think, do we have to do it on our phone or our computer?
Okay, that's a good question. I'll prefer you have a computer or a laptop, But of
Yeah,
course,
I've
not.
got one.
Yeah, pad also is
I've got
okay.
one as
Maybe
well.
Chromebook is fine. Yeah. So, but a computer you be good because you guys are going to be programmers, and programmer, need computer, right? You need a laptop. Yeah.
Okay,
But
I've
if
got.
you have a Chromebook, it's fine. Yeah. But not on the phone. You won't enjoy it anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. Farida, please. Farida, I think you've done last session as well, so it'll be good to also hear from you. How was it? Farida, we can hear you. Hello. I know you are not muted, but I don't know why we can't hear you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go to Gerard. Gerard, please. Gerard. Gerard, do you want to unmute? Okay. Tammy, please. Tammy. Tammy.
How long are the lessons?
It's 2 hours. 2 hours on Sunday, on Saturday rather. 2 hours on Saturday and 1 hour
Or
on
6 o'clock.
Sunday. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So Joju, please quickly, because I need to move on this. You quickly, Joju, I know you've done the course as well, right? Some of the courses. How was it with you? If you have any question as well.
Yeah. I'm just asking, like, how long will be the session?
Section is 2 hours on Saturday, 1 hour on Sunday. But today we might finish within, let's say, 6:30, right? So today, because it's just introduction today anyway. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Teniola, please. Teniola. Okay. Enoch.
I'm just going to use Visual Studio Code.
Oh, that's a good question. Visual Studio Code. Wow. Yeah. Not this course actually. So don't get some people scared. And yeah, so yeah, I know we've used Visual Studio Code before, and also we use Visual Studio as well in some of the courses. Yeah. So not this time around. This one is so basic actually. So I know some of you are kind of like an expert now. So yeah, not this one, unfortunately. Yeah. So, but we still go back to the Visual Studio Code using C# and whatever we've done before. Okay. Liz does Moba, please.
So how many games are there going to be?
There are a few games. There are a few games. I will show you in a moment. There are a few games here. Okay. Daniel.
What is
Daniel?
Okay. Is the thing kind of like Scrap?
Yeah, it's close to Scratch, but not technically. Yeah, it's like broccoli, like Scratch anyway. So yeah, you're going to see that. Yeah. So I think maybe I might just pause a while. So just to show how this is, let me just call 2 people, then we'll go and I'll come back to the questions later. So Tolu Banjo, please, and then I'll call David. Yeah.
I forgot my question.
Okay. All right, David, please.
I wanted to say my experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please do. Yeah.
I enjoyed it and it was very interesting.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So that is good. So thank you so much, David, for doing that. So okay, and okay, I'm going to lower everyone's hand. There will be time for you to also kind of yeah, raise your hand quickly. If you are here before and you want to share your experience, so you can raise your hand quickly so we can hear from you. If you are here before and you want to share your experience, okay. So, okay, Tara.
So my experience here was like really amazing. I really learned new things with like the Python, the Unity. Unity was kind of complicated. But like the website when I first joined, it I got a little bit confused, but now everything is starting to make sense and it's really amazing.
I get that, Tara, because Unity is really, really a big one. Unity is what
Yeah,
even
it's kind of
adults
complicated.
yeah. Adults use Unity to develop mobile applications, and that is what you are doing. How old are you, Tara?
I'm 29 in April.
Okay, it's going to be 9 April. So to be honest, Unity is an application that adults of my age use at work to develop mobile application. And for you to learn that at your age, that and you to actually get a little of that, so I can say well done for that. So well done, yeah, Tara. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for sharing, Tara. Kingston, please. Kingston.
Yeah, I had a really fun experience learning like Python and like web development before. So it was really a good experience.
Thank you so much for sharing. Yeah, I know we've done web development before, and also the last time we did Python. This is also going to be Python, but Python basic, and I would say it's also going to be continuation as well. So I think you're going to have another fun year in using this particular one as well. So well done. Thanks for sharing. Tireni,
Also,
please.
how many
Tireni.
times have you gone over this course?
Sorry, how many times?
Yes.
Wow, okay, that's a good question. I think we started around 2009 and we've done it several times now, actually. Maybe 8 or 9 sessions, right? Thereabouts. Yeah, it's a lot, but we always mix it up, right? And this one that we are doing for introduction to programming, we've not done it in the last maybe 1.5 years, actually, right? So yeah, and the Python, yeah, we've not done the Python before at all, so it's a new one. This Python is totally new. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, let's move to Tireni quickly. Tireni.
Oh, I want to share my experience. Coding was really nice, like really fun, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed Unity, and I liked how we had to make obstacle courses, and I liked how we had to write codes for Python as well.
Thank you so much for sharing. Actually, yeah. Unity was fun. Actually, I just loved it as well, teaching you guys. And yeah, I know it's a bit advanced actually for some people. Well, it's really fun. You guys were able to develop that game actually, and it was good to share as well. Thank you so much, Reni. Yeah, let's move to Tolu Banjo, please. Tolu Banjo.
I joined Coding for Kids for a little bit and I really enjoyed it. And I liked how like it's not just adults teaching you, like it's children as well.
Thank you for sharing. To be honest, that is the fun part actually, that you tend to hear kids actually teaching actually, and other people want to do that as well. Not adult teaching you actually. To be honest, that is really what makes this particular platform great actually. Well done for sharing. So okay, let's move to Malcolm. Malcolm, please. Malcolm.
So when I first got here at Coding for Kids by Kids, I was confused since I didn't know very much about Python or coding, but eventually I started to get better and better and better, and I've really enjoyed programming and coding, and I think it's going to be a career when I get older.
Thank you so much for sharing, Malcolm. It's a great joy to teach you as well. So, and yeah, and I want to see in the next few years, computer expert, programmer, people working with different big companies, developing different apps. To be honest, I really want to see this platform. We develop an app that even Google will buy. That's what my aim is. That it's going to be a time that one of you will develop an app that Facebook will say, "I want to buy your app." Yeah, and that will happen. Trust me. Yeah, if we continue like that. Okay, let's move to Georgie, please. Georgie, can we be muted, please? Georgie, do you want to unmute yourself, please? Georgie.
I want to talk about my experience.
Okay, please.
My experience was like a amazing experience, and you know, like a lot of things. Thank you for the experience, and thank you for teaching me.
Yeah, I'm sharing with my brother.
Not sure why.
So my experience was that I didn't actually know that much as my brother, and then when I came into
I have a question. I have a question.
I'll come back to your question. I really want Georgie to finish. Okay, I think if you have a question, that will be later. Okay, but thanks so much, Georgie.
Yeah, I'm ready for the.
Yeah, thanks for sharing that. Okay, you really enjoyed that. It's really good. And to be honest, it's really a great joy to teach you as well. Thank you so much. Yeah. So okay, let's move to David O. David O, quickly. Do you want to share your experience?
Yes, I would like to share my experience because when I first started doing Python, I was really interested in all the different ways to code through it and all the different variables. So it was really fun and a good learning experience.
Thank you so much. And one thing I also hear you now, you've actually thrown a buzzword in there right now, variables, right? So, and to be honest, when I first tried to teach that, when I teach variables, and sometimes it's fun to teach children. Actually, you need to go to their level, right, to be able to explain it. And one of the children actually taught me good answers to some of the questions. What is variable? And the guy said, a little, maybe it's 7 years old or thereabout. And I said, a variable is like my pocket. When they give me money, my pocket money, I put in my pocket. That's like a variable. Then in there, it's going to be varying. So when I spend it and it becomes another thing, I store money in my pocket. That's a variable. And to be honest, really profound. Yeah, you can explain things in that aspect. So to be honest, I've also even learned from you guys as well. So well done, and yeah, for sharing as well. So let's Farida, please, quickly. Farida. I know you're not muted, but I couldn't hear you. So okay, let's move to Nifemi.
I want to talk.
Okay, please. Nifemi, you're muted now.
My experience was really fun, and I especially liked Unity as on my phone I can see some games that say made with Unity, and I liked to see how games were really made.
Okay, thank you, Nifemi. To be honest, I love Unity as well. It was good. Maybe we should bring Unity back, actually. Let's finish this session first. We'll talk about that. So whether Unity is something that we need to bring it because it's games actually was really cool, right? Yeah. Okay, Joshua D. Joshua D. Joshua D.
My experience was that I managed to take care of the breakout rooms, and I grew my confidence.
We didn't hear you properly, so if that's okay, do you want to repeat?
I was able to take care of breakout rooms, and I built up my confidence. I was able to build up my confidence.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Joshua. And you are one of my best students, actually, to be honest. You know that, right? So even in the breakout room, you're always there to share what you know, which I think is really, really, really good. You're not afraid to, and you boost the confidence. That like I said, it's not only coding that we learned here. We also learned confidence building as well. And it's good that you actually share that. Yeah. Yes, please. I'm going to
Do I
mute
still get my
everyone.
reward?
Okay, that's a good question. So ask your parent to send a message to me because you should have got it last year. So I will ask the admin to check if
My mommy sent last year, I think, and you didn't respond.
Okay, apologies for that. Okay, can she send a message?
My son, what is your name?
She said, "Can you
And I
send
will
a
look
message
into
again?"
that. Okay.
Can you go down?
My mommy will do.
Okay, so sorry, Joshua. I didn't
My
hear
mom
you
will
again.
do that.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, yeah. So okay. All right. So I'm going to Farida. Farida, please, do you want to? Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. Hello, Okay, I think if you want to. Adiegbe. See, Adiegbe, sorry. Is that how you pronounce it?
Adiegbe.
Adiegbe, okay. Sorry about
Okay,
that.
I want to say, even though we just joined, I want to say that we really like this program, because I like it when like people are saying that what their opinion and what they think, and
Thank you so much for that.
saying
Thank you
their
for
experience.
thank you for sharing that as well. So quickly, I'm going to share this video, but before then, let's so I can give some people quickly some Farida, Olua, Tomi, Kamsi. I think Tolu, you've already said something. So, and Timitayo, quickly before I start.
My question is,
you guys,
what website will you be using for coding?
I'm going to show that right now in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to show that now. Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. So we're going to do that right now. Okay. So, okay, 1 minute. So I'm going to play this video. Okay. So then you see the process. Okay.
Kids, and today we're going to be continuing. Hello everyone, welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids, and today we're going to be continuing Python. So we're going to be going to the site codeacademy.com, and once you type in that link, you'll be directed to this page. So what you need to do is enter your email and password so you can get in. make sure you ask your parents for the email. Then once you get in, you'll be greeted to pick a catalog up there, and you need when you press that, you have to it will show this page, and you need to pick Python. And then you'll see this page. When you go down, and you'll see all courses in Python, and you select it and you press free courses. And then you'll be greeted with these free courses for Python, and we're going to be doing Python 2. When it'll direct us to this page, and then we click start, then you'll be seeing this. This is where you would sign in and sign up, and you put your email and your password there. Oh yeah. And then you have to click I want to explore on my own. Then you'll see the catalog page again. Then you press catalog, and then you press Python. Then you go down, all courses on Python, then free courses, and you'll see Learn Python 2. Then you click it. Then you press start, and you'll see this page, which is Hello World. So that is how you register to Code Academy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. So that is it. So what is going to happen is I will send a link to the video to you, and so you can, the video is actually here. You can watch it again on how to register. Before we come next week, we would kind of do this again. And so next week, maybe some of the children would kind of, go through that with us and also teach us how to register as well. So there's also the introduction to programming. So that also will be shown next week. So I think that is all for this particular week. And I've shared the video link right now. So, and also I would also share the Telegram link as well. So if you want to subscribe to the Telegram group, that's where we're going to send information on time for the classes that we have. But the next class is on Saturday next week from 5 to 7. So then Sunday following, so on we are going to finish in April, and the graduation is going to happen on the 8th of April. Graduation is on the 8th of April. I will still talk about this next week as well. So okay, I think that is it for now. I know there's some people raising their hands right now, but I need to finish this within 10 minutes, okay? Unless the person cannot wait until next week. If he can wait until next week, that's fine. But if he cannot wait until next week, he can raise your hand. I'll take the next 15 minutes to answer, or 5 minutes to answer. So, okay. Adi Egbe, please. Adi Egbe.